Hey, this is day 3 of the Startup from Scratch web series. In the morning, I just edited the video from day 1 and made a YouTube video summary of what I did during that day. And then later during the day, I had a start on learning React Native, and I started following a crash course, which the product of the crash course would do very well as a basis for the MVP of Seller's Note. The crash course for the React Native app has login functionality, user profiles, and allows users to make posts. All those features are perfect for a Seller's Note MVP. So I had to go out following the tutorial, and I only got about an hour. I didn't even make it an hour into the tutorial before I started hitting some roadblocks. There's issues with the software packages. In the tutorial, the software packages he uses are now out of date, and I get errors and warnings using them, so I have to use the newer packages. Yet once I got to a certain stage where he added a framework of Tailwind or Native Wind, it seemed to create heaps of issues in my code. It was not being recognized or implemented properly, and I used ChatGPT to troubleshoot and try and determine what was wrong. I followed ChatGPT's suggestions multiple times. He seemed confident he knew what the problem was, but each time it just resulted in the same errors as before. This was extremely frustrating, and I ended up just rage quitting for the day and stopped working. My plan was to wake up fresh tomorrow morning and have another crack at it, and maybe try use the old packages, the old out-of-date packages, and see if that works. If that does not work, I will need to find a different tutorial where there are no errors that I encounter.